Hello Legacy Builders, we are here to walk you through how things are turning up with our rental property remodel at Donnelly Street, Kennywood, the south of Johannesburg. Are we going to be able to convert our 6,000 monthly rental to 17,500 per month? Let's find out. On the first session when we spoke about the renovation, I just painted an idea of what we wanted to do. Now here, the wall was here, so we've cut this wall out. We've brought it out, so this becomes our sitting area, which is the lounge, right? This is the lounge. As you can see, we've already run the plumbing pipes here. So this is our kitchen. This cupboard still needs to be moved to the other side, right? So the cupboard needs to be moved into the bedroom, which was previously the lounge. We've converted the lounge to bedroom, and we've converted the bedroom to be the lounge. The bathroom is still there, so this place is dirty. What we've now doing is that we've separated, because it was an existing property, it was one big property. If you see these troughs here, what we've then done is that we're just trying to separate the pipes so that the geyser for this property functions on its own, because the pipes are interconnected. So basically that's what we're doing in this room. We still have the bath, the basin. It's very dirty, but we're gonna clean it up. With the next episode, we're going to see the bigger picture, how it comes out of, and how much money we're making out of this. The important thing is, don't forget, our budget is 80,000 rand. The reason why we'll be able to do this with 80,000 rand is because there's a lot of existing stuff that we're going to use. Come into the bedroom and just have an idea of how the bedroom looks like. We've taken that door frame and we've just basically put it back here. So we didn't spend much money. At the back here, you see, there's plugs here. So we're removing these plugs, we're cancelling these plugs, we put it on the other side, and then we put our wardrobe here. And the fireplace, we're keeping it same fireplace, the chimney works, everything works, we keep it, we give it that kind of flair in the bedroom. So we're not cancelling that. Our deadline is we want to do this under a month. We're in the second week, and let's see by next week how far we will be. The important thing is to make sure that we've worked with time, because time is money. So everything that we're doing, the most important thing, we're not competing with anyone, we're competing against our own time. And we need to make sure that all these things is done properly. In week 2, we've already put the geyser out. Why do we do that? So that when the geyser overflows, it doesn't really mess up the ceiling, and everything just gets flown out completely. So it doesn't really disturb the tenant, and it keeps the property structure solid. You see this wall, right? Previously it was just a passage to be able to come into the main bedroom and the lounge. But right now we separated, we break this place up to separate this unit from the rest. So I will take you to the back there so that you see unit 2, how it looks like. So yeah, here we dig in so that we can be able to run the cables out of here, right? And now let's go and see what's happening at the back. We're going into unit 2, but before we get into the property, let me show you this. The gutter, that was really the bed, ugly gutter. We just changed it. It's going to be successful if you have the best team. So always find the right team. Do not just get people on the street. You're going to waste money. We've been there before. I've lost a lot of money doing that, and cheap, as they say, is expensive. So the guy, a professional team that will charge you affordable or a good price, but you're getting premium. So the value versus price. So cheap is expensive. So as you can see in the kitchen, what we've done, so when you run the cable, the conduit outside, you then bring it inside here. So there's nothing. If it was somebody came here, gave me advice and says we need to break all this wall, you need to break all the tiles to be able to do that. But then once with the right mind, he comes and says, no, you don't really need to do that. You need to cut the wall from the back and connect this inside. And that's what you get by working with the professional team. So as you can see from this is the brick here, the brick on the back, that's now has separated unit 1 from unit 2. We've already run the DB boards inside here already, so everything is above board, everything is done properly. I'm really happy with how things are going. Now here you can see the wall is prepared now for painting. So the next thing to do is then the guy comes in and paints. Once we've painted, we're going to then rip off the carpets and then do proper tiling on the floor. You know, the carpet, this place really stinks. The carpet is smelling really badly. So we don't want that. We need to get that out so that we can make people happy. When my tenants are happy, I'm happy, because there's no excuses when it comes to payment time. You must remember, success is not the end result of money. Making money is the end result of success. So the important thing is to make our clients happy, make our tenants happy, and we earn the money. Be a legacy builder. Watch the next video and don't forget to subscribe.